Story for today entitled Sneezenesia by Deb Lucke. Bloop. There was once a boy who sneezed so hard he forgot his own name. Have you tried that? He sneezed so hard he forgot if his mom was black-haired or blonde, and if she wore glasses or not. Look, he doesn't know which one is his mom. Achoo! Look, she's asking, now where has he gone? So that's mom. So mom is blonde. He sneezed so hard he blew down aisle 3, and when he got up, he no longer knew where he was or how he had gotten there. He forgets a lot when he sneezes. Again and again, his nose wrinkled up and went, achoo! Out came an 8, then a 6, then a 2. Huh? Followed by Squanto teaching the pilgrims how to plant corn. Maybe these are the things that he learned from school. And an entire hanky's worth of presidents. That's their presidents. So what? The boy thought. That's just the boring stuff they teach us in school. Then a Triceratops, a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and an Apatosaurus shot out of his nose with a roar. They made a Jurassic mess all over the floor. Wait, he said. I like this stuff. Oh, but he forgot about it. His favorite baseball team was expelled from his head. Oh, so whenever he sneezes, something comes out from his head. He blew their socks right off their legs. Look, they don't have socks. Everyone is missing one sock. Ta-da! Then, and this is so sad, the lost little boy sneezed out Christmas. What? So he's gonna forget about Christmas now? Ta-da! Just when it seemed nothing else could be left inside, he sneezed one more time. Achoo! Out came a puff of dust. That one? A rubber band? Which one? Where's a rubber band? Rubber band? And a few stray facts that had slipped between the lobes of his brain. So that's average body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Look left and right before. Okay, maybe you crossed the street. Okay, so those came out from his nose. The boy shook his head. Nothing rattled. Hey, he said, I stopped sneezing. So maybe this one is causing his sneezing. The presidents, the pilgrims, the reindeer, the dinosaurs, and everything else he once knew stood there staring at him. But how do we get back in? He had no idea. None. Where he'd kept his thoughts, there was now nothing at all. Oh my, I forgot about everything. His brain was like a tire with no pressure inside. What's this? Why is there A, B, C, D? With a hiss, it went flat. So maybe it sounds like a balloon with a hole. His eyes filled with tears. Things could hardly be worse. He was motherless, nameless, and practically brainless. Huh? It was enough to make any boy sniff a big, sorrowful sniff. Maybe. The sniff delivered a rush of high-pressure air into his low-pressure air inside his head, creating a suction so powerful it sucked all his knowledge off the grocery store floor. Oh, so they all went back inside. Whoosh went Santa. Whoosh went the pilgrim. Whoosh went the sock right back up the boy's nose and into his brain. Whoosh went the Apatosaurus, and but it had gotten only about halfway when what happened? Oh! The suction pulled his mother all the way over from the other side of the store, where she'd been waiting in the deli line for a very long time. Oh, she's looking for him. In one smooth move, his mother reached into her purse, pulled out a tissue, and planted it firmly on her son's nose. Just as the last bit of knowledge was making its way back into the boy's brain. What's that? Blow, she said. You've got a big green thing hanging out of your nose. And so it was that the boy, who now knew his name was Zach, got all his memories back. Except that it's for one big, green, slow-moving, plant-eating fact. What is that? The end. Look, that's what he forgot. The end. So that's Sneezenesia.